Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to try to get this Craftsman chainsaw running. First order of business, let's pop this front cover off. It was 3 flathead screws. And let's get this old air filter out of here. And the primer bulb is broke. So just for now, I'm going to pour some gas down the carburetor just to see if it'll start. See if we're like missing spark or anything. Alright, I put my 2-stroke mixture in there. Let's see if she fires up. Oh, there we go. Off the bat. Oh, not wanting to crank. Huh. What's going on there? So what actually happened here is the pull cord wrapped around the flywheel, which is weird. I don't know why it would do that. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it's caught. So we're going to take this front cover off and try and fix that. And the last one. Should slide off now. Yeah, there we go. Now we can take a look at what happened in there. It wrapped around there, so it just needs rewinded. I will get back to you when I do that. And now that this side cover's off, it gives us a chance to see what type of primer bulb we have. It's just a screw in. I actually have one of those, so I might throw it in there and see if we can get it, to stay running. Well, didn't have one right now. Let's just throw the pull cover back on, see if it'll stay running. Get them all started in there. Get the trusty $19 Harbor Freight drill. I'm cheap, so gotta make it work. Cheap little drill. Works pretty good for what it is. Alright. Now let's see if she fires up. Stays running. Runs pretty good.